Understanding, squash it out, an English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to unpack the meaning and usage of the phrase, squash it out. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, you'll find this phrase intriguing and useful. Squash it out is an idiomatic expression that's not as straightforward as it sounds. To squash something generally means to crush or flatten it. However, in the context of this phrase, it takes on a more figurative meaning. It implies resolving a conflict, misunderstanding, or problem in a straightforward and effective manner. The origins of squash it out are a bit obscure, but it's believed to come from the physical action of squashing or flattening something that's in the way. Just like physically removing an obstacle, the phrase suggests clearing up interpersonal issues. This phrase is typically used in informal settings. Here are a few examples. Mike and I had a disagreement, but we decided to squash it out over coffee. There's been a misunderstanding. Let's squash it out now, so it doesn't affect our project. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to indicate resolving an issue quickly and efficiently. While squash it out is the common form, variations include squash the beef or squash the issue. These all carry a similar connotation of resolving disputes or misunderstandings. And that's a wrap on Squash It Out. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the context and culture in which they're used. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next session.